Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine. Today I'm going to share the score of mock test of PYQ. My score is 123 and incorrect is 14, which needs to be improved. In general intelligence, I got 3 wrong. In GK, I got 3 wrong. In maths, I got 3 wrong. And shockingly, in English, I got 6 wrong. Let's see what happened. This option was all same, so this is incorrect. This was a double difference series, but I could not figure out at that time. This one I was in a hurry to do it. If I made it wrong. I had no idea of this one, but later I got to know that Linux is an operating system and all three are Photoshop, photo editing skills. This was also, it took a lot of time, but I got freaked out, therefore I made it wrong. This one also was very easy, but I mistook plus as minus and into as divide. In this one, I tried to make out the complete answer, but actually the correct approach would have been to use by options. Here 24 is the correct option. Meemkut Festival, Mizoram. And it is of harvest. Yes. Assam, 3 kinds of views: Ahuvachi, Jivanbil, Nagaland Hornbill, Ioling, Motsumong, Arunachal 0, Losadri, Mopin, Meghalaya, Wangala, Nokrem, Kharchi Puja, 14 of Tripura. BRICS countries in does not include Mexico or Argentina or Peru. So Sao Paulo is the answer, which is in Brazil. These two, 7 and 8, I preferred to do the guesswork on my intuition, and luckily it got correct. Winner and new chairman of ISRO. I did not understand why statement 1 is incorrect. Maybe because of always. Non-ferrous metallic minerals are copper, zinc and lead. I thought this one to be States Reorganization Act, but I thought that States Reorganization Act was held in 1953, not in 56. Online FIR through CCTNS. Bhavishika for pension. Bhavishika for pension. DGFIR in Madhya Pradesh. Only 2 is correct. NAM, Ministry of Agriculture. Asha, Agriculture. KS, Kisan is agriculture. Asha, Consumer. Ministry of Agriculture. Panti Guru Ghasdas. In the last mock in Olive Wood, the same answer was there, like Panti of Guru Ghasidas. Content decreases of sugarcane. Sugarcane is seasonal, and major producing state is Maharashtra. 1, 2 and 4. Mishti is for mangrove, initiated under Ministry of Rural Development, and Campbell. 1 and 3. This was a tough one. Here I could have done only with N and P. Like N is to be in N, there should be 5 and multiple of 6. And in but P will have 7, 11 and 7 in it. This was easy one. This was a new question, so didn't I put my hand on it, but it wasn't easy. This was also doable. This was also doable. And this one I made it so wrong. It should not be the case. I took a lot of time here. This was also easy, but it would have taken a lot of time, therefore I skipped. Here I was busy with selling price. Rather, I should have taken the cost price of 10 items. This was also easy. This was also easy. This was also easy. I took a lot of time here, but it wasn't worth it. It should have taken only 30 seconds. I started taking out the total area of the circle, radius, everything. This was also doable, but a little calculative. This was also doable. So overall for maths, at least 6 to 7 questions I should have got it correct more. But because of lack of time, I succumbed it. Callow. Placatory. Blow hot and cold. Fulsome. This was purely a Nitya thanks to Parmar sir, which made me correct this one. A statement that appears self-contradiction, yet maybe true. I was confused between paradox and irony. I marked irony, but answer would be paradox. I had read hardly when and scarcely before, but here scarcely and when is used. I was in a hurry to complete this mock, therefore I took less time while reading this. It was an easy one. Here I was confused between will be and be. I marked will be, but answer would be be. Will won't be there because was is already there. Here the error is has. The perception has. Same here, the fact reflects. This was purely my guesswork. Like tripos here is something adjective. Here also the same thing, tripos is something noun or something like that. Here is the tripos tool. Okay, tripos is the examination system. In this passage, I did not even read the passage. I just marked the answers. Here I was confused between these two. I marked number 4. I marked number 3, but the answer is 4. The jumble sentences was easy this time. Only two can start. Here also only two can start. In English, 6 wrongs were these ones, which should have been cleared. So next mock I'll try to do less mistakes in English. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.